Good morning students, welcome back to ICT class. This is our video session 26 and the previous class you have learned about Stellarium software, which is the third software in chapter 5, and there you have studied about different tools in order to view the stellar object and also how to observe the constellation, how to search for the constellation, and also how to observe the ecliptical line in Stellarium software. So these are the topics which we have discussed in our previous class session, and in today's class we are moving to the last and final software in chapter 5, which is called as RASMOL. By the end of the session you will learn about the simulation software called RASMOL software, which is the final software in this chapter. The learner will observe the molecules with a complex structure using this software. So in 8th standard you have studied one software called Chemical software. By using Chemical software you have drawn different molecular structure of simple molecules like water, then oxygen, O2, like that symbol, then HCl. So simple molecular structure you have drawn using which software? Chemical software. So RASMOL is the software in order to draw complex molecular structure. Okay, so in chemistry textbook you have studied allotrophy, isn't it? Allotrophy means what? How an element appears in various physical states. For example, the crystal form of carbon. The allotrophs of carbon in crystal form are what? Diamond, graphite, fullerene. So like that complex structures, complex molecular structure, we are going to observe it using RASMOL software. So three main molecular structure we are going to observe. One is fullerene, then one graphite, then one more is diamond. So for that, drawing that molecular structures, complex molecular structure, we need one file. While using this RASMOL software, in order to draw such molecular structures, you need one file called as PDB. PDB files, which is inbuilt in school resources folder. From that we are going to open, or we are going to add such molecular structures. It is such an easy software, RASMOL. So let's start today's class with this new software, and you can observe the molecular structures of graphite, diamond and fullerene. Okay, so let's see. Next software, which is the last software in 5th chapter, is RASMOL. It is also available from education menu, and RASMOL is a software to observe the three-dimensional structure of a molecule. The three-dimensional form of molecule will be shown in different colors in the graphical screen of this RASMOL software. So two versions are available, classic and GTK version. Select RASMOL GTK version. So this is the RASMOL window. It is such an easy software. So take your textbook, page number 72, activity 5.12. So open RASMOL software. Then we have to open the molecule. So first example is fullerene molecule. To view the three-dimensional structure of fullerene molecule, so go to file, open. Then every files that are used in this RASMOL software is available in school resources standard 9. You can see here PDB files. So every files of this molecules are available in this PDB files. Open PDB, then open fullerene. Lot of molecular structures of different molecules are available. So open fullerene.pdb. Then click on open, so that you can see the wireframe model of this fullerene molecule. In order to view it as a ball and stick model, go to display option. It is very clear in your textbook. Display option, select ball and stick. This is the second thing to do. Display ball and stick, so that we can see it in a ball and stick model. After that we can give color. We can select number of carbon atoms in this molecule, and also we can provide color to this molecules. So using the mouse we can turn the molecule and observe how carbon atoms are combined, and then in order to give color to the molecule, or in order to view the number of carbon atoms present in this model, go to view option, select command prompt. So this is the third thing, command prompt. So here you can see a terminal. So click over here and type the following thing, select, everything must be in small letters, select carbon, and press enter key so that you can see 60 atoms selected. So here 60 atoms of carbons are present. Then next we can provide color to this carbon atom. So first select that atom and then type the word color, COLOR, color space. We can give any color. Suppose I am going to give yellow. Everything must be in small letters. Color yellow, so that you can see that 60 atoms will get the yellow color. Likewise, we can select any of the atoms and we can provide color. So this is the activity which should be completed using RASMOL software. They will give in your question, open graphite PDB file in RASMOL and select the number of carbon atom, and after that provide yellow color or blue color. So go to display option, select ball and stick, then you can see it as ball and stick model. Go to view option, select command prompt and type the two things, select the atom and give color. So such an easy activity. Now I will show another molecule, molecular structure in 3-dimensional form. File open, school resources, standard 9, PDB file. I am going to open glucose. In your textbook they have given diamond and graphite. In the same manner, diamond and graphite consist of carbon atom. We can give color in the same manner. Now I am going to show glucose, which consists of carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. So again go to display, ball and stick, so that we can view it as ball and stick model. For giving color, go to view option, command prompt. I am going to type the word select oxygen or hydrogen. Select hydrogen. Press enter key. So 12 atoms of hydrogen are there. I am going to give color to those hydrogen atoms. So color, I am going to give blue color. Press enter so that you can see all the 12 hydrogen atoms got blue color. Now I am going to select another atom, select oxygen. Press enter key. So 6 atoms of oxygen are there. I am going to give color which is not present in this screen. I am going to give green color so that you can see all the 6 oxygen atom got green color. Okay, so likewise we can select different atoms or molecules present in one model and we can provide color to those atoms or molecules. Okay, so for your question they will provide like this, open such and such molecular structure and give color to oxygen, give blue color to hydrogen, so that you can do this activity. Again one more example I will show. Same manner, go to education, RASMOL GTK version, file open. I am going to open another PDB molecular structure from PDB file. I am going to open diamond. Again display, ball and stick, so that we can see it in a ball and stick model of diamond. View command prompt. Here what is the thing? Select carbon. So 331 atoms are there, carbon. So give color red, so that you can see it consists of full carbon atoms, so that we can see all those carbon atoms got red color. So if it consists of oxygen or chlorine, any other molecule, we can do like this, select oxygen, select hydrogen, select neon, etc. Then color red, blue, green, whatever things we can give inside this command prompt. We can select any of the molecules and we can provide color to those molecules. So these are the activities should be completed in RASMOL software, display, ball and stick, view, command prompt. Such an easy software and very easy activity. Okay, so this comes an end to 5th chapter and this is the last software, RASMOL. So that's our last software, RASMOL. So in this chapter you have learned 4 different softwares. One is G-plates related to geography, Then next software is GeoGebra related to geometry. Third software was Stellarium related to astronomy. And then fourth software is RASMOL related to chemistry. Okay, so 4 different softwares are easy software. So now I am going to summarize chapter 5. So you'll be more able to understand about this chapter. Okay, so let's summarize chapter 5. 4 softwares are there in 5th chapter. The first software is called as Gplate software, and it is also a simulation software in order to assimilate complex ideas into easy manner. And in Gplate software, the activity is to view continental drift and to find volcano. And there are several tools in Gplate software, and the most important tools, 2 tools are, first one is drag globe tool in order to rotate the globe, and the second tool is feature inspection tool in order to view the details of such volcanoes and the continents, etc. And the last and final activity in Gplate software was exporting Gplate's project into SVG format. The second software was GeoGebra software in order to draw geometrical shapes in mathematics. So the first activity was to draw parallel lines and finding its speciality by using parallel line tool, point tool, intersect tool, etc. And second activity was to draw a circle using circle center and radius tool, and that can be adjusted using a number slider. Third software was Stellarium software. It provides a virtual reality in order to view the stellar object in the sky, and the activities was to adjust location and date or time, and also to view the constellation like Leo, Orion, etc. by using different tools. And last activity was to find ecliptic line from the marking tab in sky and viewing options tool. Last and final software was RASMOL software in order to view the complex molecular structure of different molecules, for example, fullerene, graphite, diamond, etc. For viewing such molecular structure, we are using here PDB files, and we can view it as a ball and stick model, and then in the command prompt we can enter the selection details, and to give color we can enter the corresponding details in the command prompt window. So that's our chapter 5. Hope you all have clear about this chapter. So from next class onwards, I'll start part 2 textbook, ICT textbook, part 2. There in part 2 also 5 different softwares are there, 5 chapters are there. So from next class onwards, I'll start the next part of ICT. So part 1 is over, 5 chapters was there, 4 chapters you have learned for your internal assessment, and final chapter was practical lab in computers. Okay. So hope you all have clear about this chapter. We'll see in the next class. Thank you and have a nice day.